Hey lovelies, and welcome to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make breadcrumbs without a food processor. I'm only going to use my hands, and this recipe calls for only one ingredient, that is bread. I'm going to use fresh bread, and if you have stale bread you can use it. It's better than fresh bread because fresh bread still have some moisture. If you have some leftover breads, let's do this together. I will start by toasting. Okay, I'll show you two methods. The first one, I will toast it in an oven, and another one, I will just toast it in a pan. So you can just slice your bread thinly or anyhowly and arrange them well in a baking tray. And I will take it into the oven until it's dry and crunchy. It's done. You can see how brown it is. Let it cool down before handling it. You can even hear that sound, so crispy. It has cooled down. I will just use my hands to crush them. This is the easiest recipe. This recipe really came in handy. Like today I wanted to use breadcrumbs, and in my local shops they don't sell ready breadcrumbs, so I just had to rush into the nearest shop and buy any bread there. And it's the one I used in my burger parties. So if you find this method of crushing with hands so stressful, you can use a plastic bag, and maybe if you have a parchment paper or any paper, just wrap them in a plastic bag or a parchment paper, then roll with a rolling pin. Yeah, and you will get a very fine breadcrumbs, you can see. So this is another method. If you don't have an oven, just toast them in a hot pan until it's brown and crunchy. So you'll keep on flipping them to check if it's brown. If it's brown, then you'll turn it on the other side, just like that. Guys, if you are new in this channel, kindly consider subscribing and like the video. Thank you. Since they are overcrowded, let me remove this. By the way, this was just a small bread. I think it cost 50 shillings. And if I was to buy breadcrumbs, I would have spent more. Watch the video up to the end. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Remember, my bread was fresh and it's as moist, so it's the one bringing this stress. Allow to take them back to the pan and toast them once more. Now it's well done, and I will just continue with my hands. And you also, another tip, if you want your breadcrumbs very fine, finer than this, you can take a sieve and sieve them. Though I don't mind, I like mine this way. It will still mix anyway. This is a well done. That is the breadcrumbs we have. You can store this in a tight container and it can serve you the longest. Because it was toast, it doesn't expire easily. So long as your container is closed tightly. That is the breadcrumbs. It was nice hanging out with you. Thank you. See you in my next. And don't forget to subscribe.